That's better. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am first of all grateful of Sri Mangla ji, Sri Agrawal ji, उनका परिवार, my dear friend Amit Garg, who is my course mate. We have trained together in the Indian Military Academy, and present सभी parents and the students. It always gives me immense pleasure when I talk to the students, because these are the ones who will take this country to the as a developed nation in the years to come. Now, when I talk about this gateway institutions, what a beautiful name, gateway institution. It is not the gateway to your education only, it is the gateway to your life. And the life is more important than anything else in this world. Just remember, this life is the most important thing. And your life is your responsibility, your obligation, your duty towards your success and your happiness, nobody else. The day you understand that you are responsible for everything what is happening around you, you will succeed in life. Life, we have been seeing it, life is a battlefield. So if life is a battlefield where you have to fight, then fight it like a warrior. A warrior doesn't mean that you have to put on uniform and the medals and then go to the border and fight the enemy. No. You could be warrior anywhere and everywhere, whatever field you are. And I will explain that word warrior. What does it mean? Actually, the warrior. So, the warrior basically is the one who is fearless, who is fierce, and he always fails forward. I will tell you what all these three terms means. Now, when I was listening to these programs by the children, beautiful programs, the last program which mentioned about the girl power, आजकल जो हमारी महिलाएं कितना अचीव कर रही हैं, उसका कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है. So I will talk about the things which are happening. The thing which has happened is perfect. We all know Indira Gandhi, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. We all know, have been listening. But what is happening now? That is what I want to focus on, so that my Gen Alpha can relate themselves. How to become like that? The first name which comes to my mind is, if some of you must have read in the Times of India, Bhavna Kant, the squadron leader, who is the first woman who has become a top gun of Indian Air Force. And what is the top gun? The top gun is the one who is expert in the tactical fighting with the aircraft, fighter aircraft. And that is only the 1% of the Air Force pilots become the top gun. And she is the one who has just achieved 3-4 days back. I hope some of you must have read it. So let's have a round of applause for those females. And that was the last program by those girls. So girl power is the no comparison whatsoever it is. Another one name you must have heard about, the Sofia Qureshi, the one who after the Op Sindoor, she was the face of the Op Sindoor. And I am sure everybody knows that name of Sofia Qureshi. And she was in the core of my core of singers, which I belong to. So this is what I talked about, the two people. Now third, I will talk about the gentleman recently passed away. He is Major General Rajdhan. and he was a Kirti Chakra. I will give you the bit about him, the bit story about him. In 1994, when he was in Kashmir posted, he was told that there is a house where some 14 young women have been taken hostage. Way back in 1994. This gentleman, as a lieutenant colonel that time, he went to with his party and he fought with the militants. He killed 2 of them. The third one was left. So when he was neutralizing the third one, he got at least 7-8 bullets through his stomach. And he got paralyzed. He got paralyzed west downward. Means he became a chair bound. And this gentleman, with his courage, with his merit, he became a lieutenant colonel to major general. So that is the kind of commitment, devotion and courage is required to become a warrior. Another, I was inspired by seeing that act of those boys in the last, whereas everyone has been shot down by one militant, but the one of the Jawan gets up and kills that militant. Now this story relates with one gentleman who is retired as an honorary captain. आप सब जानते होंगे, he is a Paramveer Chakra captain Yadav, Yogendra Yadav. He is a Paramveer Chakra. It is exactly the same story what these boys have depicted, that when he was on the Kargil, every one of his troop was shot down. He was the only one little surviving after so many bullets. And with that situation only, he got a chance and he threw the grenade and killed those intruders or those enemies. So, these are the stories of one thing which is common in all of them, that is the courage. And that courage doesn't come from कि मैं केमिस्ट की दुकान पे जाऊंगा, 4 कैप्सूल करेज के लेके आऊंगा, रोज 1 कैप्सूल खाऊंगा and I will become courageous. No, ladies and gentlemen. To become a courageous, it is to develop a courageous muscle, you have to overcome our fears. And that fears, overcoming the fears means that by just saying you can't overcome the fears, you have to take action. Whenever you have a fear, you are supposed to take action. And opposite of fear is not a courage. Rather, the action taken in the presence of fear is the courage. So just understand that whenever you are fearful, take action. Just don't sit. Because fear is nothing but, there are 4 letters, F-E-A-R. That means false evidence appearing real. होता कुछ नहीं है. Especially those students must understand that fear कुछ नहीं होता है. जब आप उस एक्शन को पूरा कर लेते हो तो आपको लगता है अरे यार ये तो कुछ भी नहीं था, मैं तो ये सब कर लेता. एग्जाम से पहले आपको फियर लगता है, रिजल्ट से पहले फियर लगता है, लेकिन जब आप दे लेते हो और उसके बाद आगे बढ़ जाते हो, बोलते यार मैं वैसे ही कर रहा था, कुछ नहीं था. So what is needed is that preparation. If you have to work hard to prepare in the beginning, then the fear is nothing. But fear का जो एंटीडोट है, that is a faith. You should have a faith in your capabilities. You should have a faith in yourself. Then the fear will run away. और fear का जो सबसे बड़ा जो डाइट है, मतलब fear को जो बढ़ाता है, that is the time. The more you delay in taking action against the fear, the more it will become a monster. And once it becomes a monster, you are paralyzed. So don't give time for the fear. Act upon that. Take action. Whatever is best suited action you are seeing, act upon that. Your fear will disappear. And when the fear disappears, of course, you take one step ahead and you reach extra mile in your life. But let me tell you one more thing. You must understand that fear is a very primitive emotion. You can't eliminate that. ये हमारे सदियों से fear चला रहा है, fear होना ही है, जरूर होगा. तो I say that fear is your friends. Fear is your friend, whereas familiarity is not. Now how do I say that? आप बोलोगे सर एक तरफ तो आप बोल रहे हो कि फियर जो है खराब चीज है और एक तरफ आप बोल रहे हो फियर अच्छी चीज है. यस, फियर होने से ही आप अच्छी मेहनत करते हो. एग्जाम का यदि थोड़ा बहुत फियर नहीं होगा आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे. सो दैट फियर इन द लिमिट इज ओके, so that you put in your best and you get a better opportunity, you be successful in life. But don't allow that fear to become a monster. The moment it become a monster, it become a paralysis of analysis. होता क्या है, हम बैठ जाएंगे and then we will keep analyzing. कैसे क्या करना है, कैसे करूँ, क्या करूँ. Action नहीं लेंगे. The moment you take action and you overcome that hurdles, you will become a successful person. Now let's talk about someone, Mr. Rahulji mentioned about the how you take care of your, because ordinary से legendary में अंतर क्या है? We all are ordinary. Now the some people from those ordinary become a legendary, whereas others remain ordinary. The difference lies how you manage your activities, not the time. What we are taught is basically life is time management. Can anybody manage the time? No one, because time is going. Every second is passing. Nobody can control the time. What you can control is your activities. How do you control the activities? So now let me tell you what activities it is. We got 24 hours. In 24 hours, 8 hours you got for studying or the job. Another 8 hours for sleep. Now you are left with another 8 hours. Out of 24, 16 hours gone. 8 hours left. Now whosoever can make use of this remaining 8 hours will be the leader. Whatever maximum you can make use of these remaining 8 hours, now that comes to that creativity. हमारे डायरेक्टर जनरल साहब ने बोला था कि don't be a consumer. You have to be creator. You have to become a producer. And the producer बनने के लिए the remaining 8 hours you must make use of that. Instead of scrolling through the reels or some videos, make use of that time for doing something different in your life, and that will make you different than others. That will make you 1% out of different people. होता क्या है? That remaining 8 hours जो बचा है उसमें we will sit against the TV or we will do something else which is just not of helping in your own life. This goes to everyone, and that is where the difference lies between the legendary and the ordinary. Now let me tell you the 4 things which are very important for youngsters. हमारे जो स्टूडेंट हैं कि यदि उनको कुछ अचीव करना है, something they want to be really wonderful in life, there are 4 very different things. First thing is your clarity. Clarity means आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मुझे जिंदगी में करना क्या है, और जितना जल्दी आप ये पता कर लेंगे कि मुझे करना क्या है, उतनी ही जल्दी आपकी एनर्जी फोकस हो जाएगी, और जहां फोकस जाता है एनर्जी वही जाती है. जब एनर्जी वही जाएगी तो नेचुरली उसमें आउटकम भी बहुत अच्छा उसी में आएगा. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट put your energy at a place where you are clear that I want to do this. This could be academics, this could be scientists, this could be army, this could be defense, this could be artist, this could be anything. You should be clear very early in life. Earlier you get that clarity that what you want to do, better it is. My dear students, another very important thing in life to be successful is your burning desire. पेट में भूख होनी चाहिए, आग होनी चाहिए कि मुझे एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना है तो बनना है, रास्ते अपने आप निकल आएंगे कि कैसे बनना है, आपको सब मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा। बट आपकी में वो भूख होनी चाहिए अंदर से कि यस मुझे करना है, कम व्हाट वे, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम सो एंड सो, आई वॉन्ट टू डू, आई विल डू एवरीथिंग, आई विल सेक्रीफाइस एवरीथिंग टू अचीव माई लाइफ। The another thing which is the third important thing is that is the courage which I mentioned in the beginning. And courage doesn't come with just by talking or saying, it comes by action. जब आपने एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दी, then your courage muscles will grow. दूसरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व की, again your courage muscle will grow. I just give you a very small example of life. You know, गांव में जब दिसंबर और नवंबर का महीना होता है तो खेतों में क्या होता है, गेहूं के, हमारा सब ये प्लेन्स है तो यहाँ गेहूं के पूरे खेत होते हैं। तो एक खेत था जिसमें कि पानी लगने की ज़रूरत थी दिसंबर के महीने में, और नहीं तो वो सूख रहा था। हुआ यूँ कि जो जिसको पानी लगाना था वो एक चौधरी साहब थे, और वो चौधरी साहब जो है इस बहाने को लेके कि बिजली सिर्फ रात में आती है, जो मेरे टाइम के लोग होंगे वो रिजोनेट करेंगे कि 70s और 80s में जो बिजली थी वो गांव में सिर्फ रात में आती थी, सिर्फ खेत खलिहानों में पानी देने के लिए। दिन में बिजली जो आज हमें 24/7 बिजली मिलती है वो मिलती नहीं थी। तो उस यंग बॉय को ये लगा कि यार ये तो बहाने मारता है कि मैं आ नहीं सकता रात में, क्योंकि वो दूसरे गांव में था, करीब 2 किलोमीटर आउट ऑफ दैट प्लेस। तो दिस यंग बॉय डिसाइडेड कि भाई इनको ये मौका नहीं देने का, कहने का कि बिजली जो है रात में ही आती है और somebody else जो नज़दीक रहता है वो ट्यूबवेल को ऑन करके पानी लेके चला जाता है। उनका बहाना ये था। तो दिस यंग बॉय डिसाइडेड कि चौधरी साहब आप चिंता मत कीजिए, कल जो है रात के 12 बजे मैं ट्यूबवेल ऑन कर दूंगा और फिर और कोई पानी नहीं लेगा, और आप आज जाइएगा अपना फावड़ा वावड़ा लेके। आई होप एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टैंड दिस हिंदी। तो चौधरी साहब 12 बजे वो दैट बॉय जैसे डिसाइडेड था पहुंच गया, ट्यूबवेल चला दिया, पानी चलने लगा। नाउ दिस बॉय, यंग बॉय ऑफ 14 year old, he can't like water the farm himself. He was waiting for that gentleman, but आधा घंटा निकल गया, 45 मिनट निकल गई। अब now this boy had a 2 option, which is called a point of crisis. A point of crisis क्या होता है? डिसीजन मेकिंग। आप इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी में देखोगे जब क्राइसिस पढ़ो तो दैट मीन्स पॉइंट ऑफ डिसीजन। Now this boy, या तो he comes back home saying that कि यार वो आया नहीं, मैं भी अभी सो जाता हूँ, वो नहीं आए तो मैं भी नहीं चलता हूँ। दूसरा ये था कि चौधरी साहब ने मुझे कमिट तो कर दिया, लेकिन उन्होंने वापस लौट के लाए तो उसको वो अच्छा नहीं लगा। सो ही टुक अ डिसीजन कि आई विल गो एंड वेक अप दैट चौधरी साहब एंड ब्रिंग हिम बैक टू द प्लेस एंड गेट दैट फार्म वाटर। दिस बॉय इन द नाइट ऑफ 12 o'clock वेयर इट वॉज ए डार्क, नो लाइट, गाँव में आप जानते हो, he went to the second place। वहाँ जैसे ही सेकंड प्लेस में घुसने लगा तो डॉग्स स्टार्टेड बार्किंग। अगेन ही टुक ए चैलेंज कि भाई डॉग्स हैं तो कैसे करना है, तो ही टुक सम स्मॉल स्टोन एंड चेज्ड अवे, डॉग चले गए। एंड फाइनली यू नो व्हाट वाज द फियर फॉर दैट बॉय, अरे रास्ते में कोई मिल गया तो, बट देन ही थॉट कि मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा किसी का, कोई मिल भी गया तो क्या है, दैट्स फाइन। एंड ही कंटिन्यूड, ही रीच्ड देयर। चौधरी साहब को अपने घेर बोलते हैं उसमें सो रहे थे, उनको जाके जगाया ना। चौधरी साहब ऑफ से मे बी अराउंड 45-50 years old, स्टैंडिंग अप इन फ्रंट ऑफ 14 year boy एंड ही वाज स्टन्ड कि भाई ये कहाँ से दूसरे गांव से मेरे पास आ गया। नाउ देयर आर 2 stories in that. One is that he overcome that fear. Second, that he had a courage to go and wake up that gentleman who was lousy, who was non-committal, and finally he could get that gentleman and got that farm water. And who was that boy? I was the boy. So that is the kind of commitment, kind of courage, kind of fearlessness you need in your life if you really want to progress in life. Now this is, so third thing is the courage which I mentioned. First thing I said clarity, second burning desire, third is the courage. Now the fourth is massive action. एक्शन छोटा मोटा एक्शन नहीं है. यदि मुझे ओलंपिक का मेडल लेना है, आप सोचो कि मैं छोटा मोटा एक्शन करके मेडल मिल जाएगा, कभी नहीं मिलेगा. You have to take a massive action and then you will succeed. Nobody can stop you. These are the four things which you needed. होता क्या है कि हम एक्शन इसलिए नहीं लेते कि मैं फेल हो जाऊं, मैं सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा. और फेल क्या है? फेल का मीनिंग किसी लीजेंड ने बोला, इट इज फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट इन लर्निंग, FAIL. दैट मीन्स हर फेलियर से आप कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं, और इट इज ऑलवेज ए लर्निंग. स्टूडेंट रिमेंबर दैट, never get scared of the getting fail. Fail will always teach you something. If you are starting, you are with the dreams nowadays. You are starting, somebody must be dreaming to start a startup. Somebody must be dreaming to crack a UPSC exam. Somebody must be dreaming to crack a CDS. Doesn't matter even if you fail once or twice. But don't give it up. There is a difference between interest and the commitment. Somebody says, I am interested to become a IAS officer. अरे भाई, इंटरेस्ट से काम नहीं चलेगा. How committed you are. So there is a difference. Interest person will say, yes, I want to become this thing. I will become this thing. But committed person, you know what he will say? Committed person will say, I will become an IAS officer, come what may. दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए, I will achieve this. That is the kind of commitment you need, not interest. Commitment to yourself. So this is the difference between the interest and the commitment. And now let's come to that failure part. Why people are so scared of fail? There are four kind of very deadly failures जिसकी वजह से लोग हमेशा डरते हैं. First is fear of failure. फेल हो गया तो पिताजी क्या कहेंगे, मेरे टीचर क्या कहेंगे, मेरे कलीग्स क्या कहेंगे. फेलियर ऑफ अननोन, पता नहीं इस टनल से मैं निकला, इस काली टनल है, लाइट नहीं है, क्या होगा इसके अंदर से. फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट, अरे मेरे दोस्तों ने तो ये कर लिया, मैंने तो वो देखा ही नहीं. एंड द फाइनल, जो सबसे बड़ा फियर होता है, हम सब उस फियर से गुजरते हैं, दैट इज लोग क्या कहेंगे. अरे मैंने कुछ नया काम शुरू कर दिया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे. जेंटलमैन एंड लेडीज, प्लीज रिमेंबर, योर लाइफ इज योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, योर ऑब्लिगेशन, योर ड्यूटी टुवर्ड्स योरसेल्फ, नोबडी एल्स. सो जस्ट डोंट वरी कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. आप खुद से क्या कहते हो, दैट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस, दैट मीन्स अ लॉट. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस. फियर ऑफ रिजेक्शन बहुत ज्यादा होता है कि मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया तो कुछ नहीं होता है. हर ये चीज एक इवेंट है, हर चीज एक इवेंट है. एक एग्जाम एक इवेंट है, वो आपकी जिंदगी नहीं है. जिंदगी आपकी बहुत बड़ी है और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वन एग्जाम, वन इवेंट, वन एक्शन इज नॉट योर लाइफ. That's why I said in the beginning, life is more important than anything else. And if you have a life, then you can achieve anything in this world. So ladies and gentlemen, with this words which I told you, so far it is covered in 4, 5, 6 letters, that is A, B, C, D, E. Now A stands for aimlessness. नहीं होना चाहिए. आपकी क्लैरिटी, आपका एम होना चाहिए कि आप करना क्या चाहते हैं. माई केस, आई टेल यू, आई गॉट इंस्पायर्ड इन 5th and 6th क्लास कि यार जो आदमी यूनिफॉर्म में होता है, हाउ स्मार्टली ही टर्न्ड आउट, हाउ स्मार्टली वॉक्स, हाउ स्मार्टली ही स्टैंड. एंड दैट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन व्हेन आई वाज इन 5th and 6th क्लास. एंड आई वांटेड टू बिकम ए आर्मी. सबकॉन्शियसली But you know, I failed 3 times in NDA. I failed 3 times. But did I give it up? No, I did not give it up. I did my graduation, and again subconsciously, which was in my mind, I was working already. I was in the government service. I was in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. I got selected for railways. I got selected for Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. I did work after HL in Department of Electronics. But from there, once I got the again opportunity, I again appeared for the SAP, and I made it. That is after failing in NDA in 1979. Then I kept, or I realized my dream to become an army officer in 1985. So that is the kind of your clarity of commitment in the mind should be there. Now, this faith, see, if I tell you my example, मुझे जिंदगी में कभी भी एक बार में कुछ नहीं मिला. At the second attempt और third attempt में जो अचीव हुआ है वो अचीव हुआ है. So हर एक लेवल पे जब आप ट्राई करते हो, एक इवेंट है, उस इवेंट को पीछे छोड़िए, आगे बढ़िए. So there are 2 things: fail forward or fail backward. Now you have to decide either you are a part of fail forward or fail backward. Fail forward is the one you are running, you had a fall, again you got up and you started running. That is fail forward. But fail backward is you lost something and पीछे बैठ गए, अब तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Don't be like that. Always fail forward. Go ahead in life. And next, finally, as I mentioned, A was aimlessness. B is have a self-belief. अपने पे इतना विश्वास रखो कि भाई. So the B is self-belief. B, have a belief in yourself. And C is you should have a clarity. There are 7 C's. You may remember them, very simple. Clarity, commitment, courage, consistency, credibility and capability. ये चारों 7 C's आपकी जिंदगी में यदि याद है आपको, क्योंकि हमें तो C से पढ़ाया जाता है कैट. नॉबडी टीचर, क्योंकि C for करेज भी होता है, C for कमिटमेंट भी होता है, C for कंसिस्टेंसी भी होता है. If you follow these 3 itself, nobody can stop you from being successful. Next comes your D, determination. If you are determined in yourself, in your work, rest assured, nobody can stop you from being successful. You are the student, you have so many dreams in your eyes, you can realize once you are determined. And E is the energy, be energetic. How you can be energetic? There is no shortcut to become energetic. You have to be physically strong, mentally strong, psychologically strong, spiritually strong. Everything, if you are strong, you are an energetic person. Energy comes from that only, no other way. Unless the moment you work out, you become energetic. And finally, it is F. Never fear the failure. Never ever fear the failure. With this, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for listening so patiently. Thank you very much.